Hello friends, how are we doing today? Today we have our product that is the Redway Power lithium iron phosphate rack type battery. This battery is equipped at 51.2 volts and 50 ampere hour. If you can see, you can measure the length of this battery. You can measure the width of this battery. And you can also measure the weight. It is too heavy for me to pick up. I cannot pick this up. But if you need this battery, you can contact us, and let me tell you a very important fact about this. So guys, do you want to know the price of this battery? Stay tuned because I'll tell you that in the video's end. Hi guys, so in this part what we are going to discuss is we're going to discuss what is the voltage, what is the cell capacity, what is the energy rating, and how this battery overall looks and works. For example, first of all, see here, this is 51.2 volts with 50 ampere hour and it has a nominal energy of 2.56 kilowatt hour. This design features an LCD, 2 terminals, and all these communication ports. Let's turn this on. When you press the power button, you can see is that the battery turns on. The SOC status is shown to be like 75%, and it shows here what are the cell ratings, what are the cell temperatures, and what are the SOC state. For this one particularly, it has 30 ampere hour left to usable, and it has a voltage of 2.75 volts overall. This screen shows you what different features it can get from displaying the functions. So here you can see there are further communication ports that can be connected for upper computer interface. You can check the battery status, battery health, and you can also connect it with CAN and RS485 communication ports. And to connect the batteries in parallel, you need to connect with RS485A and RS485B. So in this part, what we're going to talk about is we're going to talk about the very important thing, the price. And the price for this battery, particularly for 51.2 volts and 50 ampere hour, is $365 US. But there is a catch. This is the factory price that we offer you at our factory. If you want to add cost to this product, it will add cost for freight charges, custom clearing charges in your country. So if you want to get the total price of what this battery will cost you at your doorstep, then you need to contact us at our website, that is www.redwaypower.com, or you can go to our YouTube channel and you can get the website link from there. Our engineers are here 24/7 to support you for any of your inquiries. Thanks guys.